Namaste, welcome back to the Hindi tutorials. I hope that you all have learned the lesson 1 that we did in the 3rd and the 4th tutorials. To make your learning and revision easier, I strongly recommend maintaining a notebook. In this way, you will increase the number of times the lesson comes in front of your eyes and your conscious efforts of memorizing will reduce. ठीक है बहुत ज्ञान की बातें हो गई अब we will see the numbers from 0 to 10. Quite simple. Numbers is translated to अंक और संख्या in Hindi. ठीक है अंक and संख्या संख्या while counting is called गिनती गिनती ठीक है स्टार्ट करते हैं 0 is शून्य an elongated sound शून्य 1 is एक 2 is दो दो 3 is तीन not with the hard T, it's not teen. Just place your tongue between your teeth and say teen. Okay. 4 is char without letting the air come out of your mouth. It's not char, it's char. 5 is panch panch or for your convenience you can also say panch, although it's not exactly correct, but you will be understood. 6 is छः 7 is सात, again with a soft T. 8 is आठ, okay, this one is a hard T, आठ. 9 is नौ, it's not like no, it's like no. And 10 is thus, similar to the English thus. Okay, समझ गए? This was Hindi counting from 0 to 10, or you can say शून्य से 10 तक, from 0 to 10. I will repeat once again. शून्य, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, दस. ठीक है? Just write them down, repeat them, try to speak your phone number in Hindi. That could be fun. We will meet again in the next video where we will start the second lesson, that is the first formal conversation. Till then, namaste, फिर मिलेंगे.